Inhlangano i-Association of Private Security Owners of South Africa isamukele isinqumo se-Transnet sokumisa isikhulu esiphezulu sezokuphepha uMarius Bennett ngenxa yezinsolo zokukhwabanisa nenkohlakalo. UBennett ongumphathi jikelele wezokuphepha nokuvikeleka eTransnet usola ngokufuna ukukhokhelwa ngabahlinzeki bezokuphepha ukuze bathole izinkontileka. iTypeSource ithi ukumiswa kukaBennett kuyisinyathelo esibheke ekuphakamiseni ubuqotho bamazinga okusebenza eTransnet. Lokho-ke le nhlangano izwakalisa ukukhathazeka ngodaba likaBennett lwenkohlakalo eqhubekayo kule nkampani.
I-Association yezinkampani zonogada abazimele okuyi-TypeSource ithi ayigculisekile ngesinqumo sokuhlaliswa phansi kwaloyo oyimeneja kwezokuphepha kwa-Transnet uMarius Bennett ngemuva kwezinsolo zokufuna ukufumbathiswa. Le-association ithi ubufakazi obuveziwe bukhomba ngokusobala ukuthi uBennett uyathinteka kwinkohlakalo elinganiselwa kwama-30 ezigidi zamarandi.
As TypeSource, in fact, at first we actually welcome that Transnet has actually taken a decision of being able to actually place the gentleman into some precautionary suspension. But you know, we believe that this is actually not enough, because if we actually look in terms of the implication and what is implicated for, that is a serious matter. Because if you are going to be extorting over 30 million with regards to these private security companies, it actually shows the gravity of the entire situation. And so for you to be just suspended, I know that there's investigations that has to be taking place, but you must be very mindful that the same gentleman 3 years back, he was actually suspended by Transnet by virtue of him being able to take some prototype to a particular service provider that actually gave the same gentleman or the service provider a competitive advantage compared to other suppliers. And he was suspended at that time.
Njengamanje usaqhubeka uphenyo kuleli cala, kanti le-association ithi ke lokhu akwanele njengoba lo wesilisa engaqala ukutholakala kwisigameko esifana nalesi. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikunokulunga Mthembu ngise-Woodmere.